Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Apollo.io step by step for cold outreach from finding the leads to sending the emails and tracking the results. We will go through the full workflow, including setting up your account, finding the prospects, creating the sequences, and even launching your first campaign. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important details. Now, if you want to try Apollo.io for yourself, you can just use the affiliate link which is given in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses or rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you come here on Apollo.io, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply sign up for free. So click on the option of sign up for free on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you can sign up here via your email address, or you can sign up with the help of your Google account or Microsoft account. So whichever method you choose, you are going to get access to your Apollo.io dashboard, which is going to look something like this. This is going to be your home section. Over here on the top, you are going to see this type of search bar, which allows you to quickly find the people, companies, or data access across Apollo. In the center of it, you will see a section which is called Next Step for You, which is basically your onboarding checklist. It includes the essentials that include the basic setup for your account. Then we have outbound, meaning setting up your outreach targeting. We have inbound, it means capturing the leads from your website. Then we have enrichment, which means syncing or uploading your data. So all of these steps are helpful, but we will go through everything step by step manually. So before you start the outreach, you must connect your email first. So in order to do that, you need to first of all click on the option of engage. Over here, click on the option of emails. Now in the all emails section, you must see this type of banner that says you have no mailbox linked. So please connect your email account to start managing and sending the emails via Apollo. So here click on the option of link mailbox. Now it is going to give you a bunch of different options that you can link here. Like you can link your Google account, your Outlook account, and if you have any other account, you can also select that. So this step is required because Apollo is going to send the emails from your account. So after selecting which mailbox you want to connect, simply agree to the terms and conditions, then click on the option of link mailbox. Now select your email address and then simply authorize the connection. Now once it is connected successfully, Apollo can basically track your emails sent, opens, replies. Without this step, your outreach won't work. So make sure that you do it first. After doing it, you need to set up the deliverability. For that, among the given options, simply click on the option of the deliverability suite. Now, this step is going to help your emails avoid spam. So over here, you can warm up your emails. You can check the domain's health. You can even follow the recommended settings. If you see suggestions, you can just simply follow them. So this step is very important if you plan to send many emails. Now, before finding the leads, you will need to define your ideal customer profile, which is called ICP. So this means deciding who you want to target, what types of companies and what types of job roles. For example, you can target Shopify store owners, the companies that has 10 to 50 employees, and the location can be United States. So having a clear ICP makes your outreach much more efficient. Now you need to go to the option of prospect and enrich. Over here, click on the option of people. Now you will be on the page of finding the people. So over here, you can basically use this particular section and then you can search for your leads. You will see many filters over here available. Like you can filter it out by job title, by company size, location, email, industry, etc. So here you can look for the industry, let's say e-commerce. So you can select United States. Afterwards, you can select the industry as e-commerce, and then Apollo is going to ask for human verification, and then it is going to show the list of matching prospects. Now some contacts will have verified emails which will be marked clearly like this. So you need to focus on those for better results. Now once you find good prospects, you just have to simply select them. Then after selecting them, you can click on the option of save on the top. So here you need to provide your website, and then you can add absolutely for free 25 leads over here. So this particular list is going to help you organize your outreach campaigns. You can reuse them later for different sequences. Now you need to go to engage section, then click on the option of sequences. Over here, click on the option of create sequence on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you will see some of the options like templates or AI generated sequence or starting from the scratch. So for beginners, you can use an easy template, and once it is selected, Apollo is going to create a sequence with multiple steps. So as you can see, I have already created this sequence, and as you can see, it has multiple steps available. If I want to add any of the steps, I can just simply scroll down and click on the option of add a step. Over here, you will be shown bunch of different steps that you can basically add in this particular section. So you just have to click on the step which you want to add, and it will be added over here just like so. Now, if you want to remove any of the steps, you can just simply click on the steps or the three dots right next to the steps, and then you can basically delete this particular step. Now inside the sequence, you will see some of the steps like I have email, call, follow up. So you can click on the option of the email. After that, you can add the subject, the type, and then you can basically choose the contact. You can also just scroll down a bit and you can write a message. You can also use dynamic variables like first name. So here we have hi. After that, we have dynamic variable, which is first name, and then we have else, and then we have there. So you can enter your offer here. You can provide the customer pain points and call to actions, and it will going to write the email for you. Now, Apollo is not just email. You can also add phone calls, LinkedIn actions, manual tasks. So as you can see, all of these steps are available here. And if you want to add any further, you can click on the add a step, and then it will be added over here. Now you need to go to the emails section from the left hand side. Then in the emails section, basically you will see all of your sent emails, your scheduled emails, your replies. So you can also go to the tasks section, and here it is going to show you all of your call reminders, your LinkedIn actions, and manual follow-ups. So you need to simply complete the tasks and you need to mark them done. So that's how you can use apollo.io for cold outreach step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.